Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, let's talk about embeddings, one of the most important concepts behind generative AI. So, you have seen how tools like ChatGPT answers questions so intelligently, but here's something interesting to think about. Computers don't understand text, they only understand numbers. So, how does an AI understand words, meanings, and even similarity between sentences? That's where embedding comes in. In simple terms, an embedding is a numerical representation of text. It converts words or sentences into numbers so that machine can understand and work with them. Let's take an example. Suppose we have the sentence I love coffee. We can't just convert this into a single number like 10 or 50. That would lose all meaning. Instead, the AI convert each word into a set of numbers that capture meaning, context, relationship with other words. Now, think about these two sentences. This movie was sick. I feel sick today. Same word sick, but completely different meanings. Embedding helped the model understand that difference by capturing context, not just words. Here's how it worked behind the scene. First, the sentence is broken into tokens, small chunks like word or part of words. Then a neural network called a transformer processes these tokens. This transfer has been trained on huge amount of text data, so it knows how words are related to each other. It converts each token into a long list of numbers. These are embeddings. Words with similar meaning ends up with similar embeddings. That's how the model knows that coffee and tea are related but very different from car. When ChatGPT generates text, it uses these embeddings to predict the next most relevant word, one word at a time. That's how full sentences and paragraphs are created. It may look magical, but now you know the secret. Embeddings are what allow AI to understand meaning, context, and similarity in language. That's all for embeddings. I'll see you in the next lecture.